Hello children, welcome to our EVS class. So beta in EVS our lesson number 15 that is finished. Okay, that is over. Yes. So today in this lecture I am going to start a new lesson. Okay, yes. So beta before starting this lesson I want to ask you one question. Okay, yes. So beta see right now your school is closed, right, because of coronavirus, right? Yes. But whenever you come to your school, whenever you go to your school, okay, so you stay in your school till 12:30, right? Because your school timing is 7 to 12:30, right? So beta my question is ki after 12:30, okay, where do you go after 12:30? Okay, after leaving the school, where do you go? I know very well कि what is your answer है ना. So your answer is कि after leaving the school after 12:30 you go your home है ना, you go your house. Yes. And beta everyone है ना, yes, everyone go on your house, right? Yes. So beta today I'm going to start you a new lesson, that is lesson number 16. The name is that is related with house. Okay, yes. So that lesson number 16, the name is my house. Okay, yes. So what is the name of lesson number 16? My house. Okay. Okay, so lesson number 16, that is my house. Okay, so beta first of all I will explain you कि what we will learn in this lesson. Okay, so beta in this lesson we will learn so many things, we will learn too many things. Okay, yes, and this lesson is very interesting, you know. Yes, so beta in this lesson there is one boy, his name is Naseem, and a program of activities has been held in his school. Okay, yes, and so many children have come from outside to participate in this activity. Okay, yes, and all the children who have come from here, they all are from different cities, they all are from different states. Okay, they all belongs to different states. Okay, and all these children and in this lesson all these children they are telling about his or herself. Okay, yes, all these children tell about themselves and their homes also. Yes, okay, where have they come from? Okay, where do they live, and how is their houses? Okay, yes. So beta in this lesson we will learn about so many types of houses. Okay, yes. So beta will say in this lesson we will learn about different types of houses है ना. See beta, we know about only our house. Okay, yes, but there are so many types of houses. Okay, there are so many different types of houses, right? So beta in this lesson we will learn about the different types of houses. Okay, yes, so you all are ready? Okay, so now I'm going to explain you this lesson. Okay, so you all are ready? Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so our lesson number 16, that is my house. Okay, yes, now let's see our lesson. Okay, so my name is Naseem. So beta in this lesson there is one boy. Okay, and he is giving his introduction. Okay, so he is saying कि my name is Naseem, I live in Srinagar. Yes, so where Naseem live, where he live, he live in Srinagar. Okay, and beta where is Srinagar? Srinagar is in Kashmir. Okay, yes, Srinagar is the capital of Kashmir. Okay, yes. Since yesterday there is a lot of activity in our school. Yes, here Naseem is saying ke since yesterday, okay, there is a lot of activity in our school, in my school. Yes, it will go on for a week. Yes, now what he is saying here, he is saying ke and this activity will go on for a week. Yes, do you know why? Here Naseem is saying ki do you know ke why? So there is a camp being held in our school. Yes, now here what is saying to us? He is saying to us that there is a camp that being held in our school. Yes, children have come from many places for the camp. Yes. So here what Naseem is saying, beta Naseem is saying that so many children have come from many places for the camp, for this camp. Okay. Yes, in our school, in my school. Tents have been put up in the ground for everyone to stay. Yes. Now here Naseem is saying that there were so many tents and all the tents have been put up in the ground for everyone to stay. Right? Yes. Now look at downside beta. See here picture has given also. Okay, you can see here so many tents are there, right? Yes. Now let's see now what he is saying, what Naseem is saying. So we have decorated the school beautifully. Yes, now here what he is saying, Naseem is saying ki we all have decorated the school beautifully. So beta, as we know very well ke there is one activity program, okay, that is held in Naseem school, right? And so many children have come there, right? Yes, so many children so many children are coming there, right? Yes, so that is why they all are decorated the school beautifully, right? That is why here Naseem is saying ki we all have decorated the school beautifully, right? Some children have used pieces of cloth to make streamers for the doors. Yes, now here what Naseem is saying, Naseem is saying ki so many children, some children have used pieces of clothes. What for? Why they are using the pieces of cloth? Why they use pieces of cloth? To make streamers, and streamers means curtains, right? Yes, streamers for the doors, and yes, there are some children, they have used the pieces of cloth to make streamers for the door. Okay, made posters, while others have made rangolis using dry leaves and so dust. Yes, now here what Naseem is saying, Naseem is saying beta ki we all have decorated the school beautifully, okay, and some of us, some of children, they are used pieces of cloth to make streamers for the door, okay, doors. But there are some other children, okay, they have made posters using almond shells. Yes, while others have made rangolis, and some of children, they have made rangoli using dry leaves and sawdust, okay. Yes, so beta, you got it. Okay, so now on next page. Okay, so now let's see now what Naseem is saying. Okay, so today is the first day of the camp. Yes, now here what is Naseem is saying to us, Naseem is saying ke today is the first day of the camp, okay. We are very happy, and today is the first day of the camp. That is why we all are very happy, okay. Yes, in the morning we all got together and in a circle. Yes, now here what he is saying, Naseem is saying in the morning, in the early morning, we all get together and sat down the ground in the circle, okay. We all sat down on the ground in a circle. Yes, each of us introduced ourselves and spoke about where we came from and what we like to eat. Yes, now here what is saying to us, what Naseem is saying, Naseem is saying after that we each of us, okay, we all introduced to ourselves, okay, and spoke about where we came from, okay, and what we liked, okay, what we liked so much, what we like too much, okay, what we like to eat, okay. Yes, children wrote pictures of their families and their homes. Yes, now here what is Naseem is saying to us, Naseem is saying to us कि all children brought, all the children, they all brought the picture and their homes also. Yes, all the children brought picture of their families and their homes. Yes, everyone spoke about their homes, and after that everyone spoke about their homes, okay, one by one. Yes, Bhupen's group was the first to talk. Yes, now here what Naseem is saying, Naseem is saying ke Bhupen's group was the first group who first to talk, okay, जिसने मीन्स पहला ग्रुप था भूपेन का ग्रुप जिसने अपनी फैमिली के बारे में बताया, ओके. सो नाउ लेट्स सी कि now let's see now with the downside. Okay, so Bhupen introduced himself and said yes, and after that what happened? After that Bhupen, here Bhupen is a boy, okay. After that Bhupen introduced himself and said, okay, so now let's see what Bhupen introduced about himself and what he said, okay. Yes, so what care has to be taken now beta, here is one question that is asking to us, okay. So now let's see what is the question. So question is, what care has to be taken by those who are living in house made up of bamboo or wood, okay. Yes, now here question is here asking to us ke what care has to be taken by those, okay, those people who living in house that is made up of bamboo or wood, okay. Yes, so beta first we will say कि what here Bhupen is saying, okay. So okay, so Bhupen is saying ki I have come from Molan village in Assam. Yes, now here what is Bhupen saying to us? Saying to everyone, Bhupen first Bhupen introduced to himself. Okay, my name is Bhupen, and after that he is saying ki I have come from Molan village in Assam. Okay, so where he come from where Bhupen come? So Bhupen is saying ki I have come from Molan village. Okay, so beta here Molan, that is a village, okay, and that is in Assam. Okay, yes. So Bhupen come from Molan village that is in Assam. Okay. It rains heavily in our place. Yes. Now here what is Bhupen is saying? What Bhupen is saying? What Bhupen is telling to everyone? So Bhupen is saying कि it rains heavily in our place. Yes. Means उनकी वहाँ पे बहुत बारिश होती है. Hence, our houses are made almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground, and it rains very heavily. That is why our houses are made almost 10 to 12 feet above to the ground. Yes. So now here what Bhupen is saying, beta Bhupen is saying ke it rains very heavily. Okay, that is why our houses are made of almost 10 to 12 foot above from the ground. Okay, yes, they are made on strong bamboo pillars. Yes, and now here what Bhupen is saying to us? Bhupen is saying ke and our houses, okay, our houses they are made on strong bamboo pillars. Here beta you can see also in this picture, right? You can see here this house is made up on the strong bamboo pillar, right? Yes. So Bhupen is saying कि मीन्स ये जो हमारे हाउसेस है, राइट, our house is made on strong bamboo pillars. Okay, yes. Insides of our houses are also made of wood. Yes, now what he is saying, Bhupen is saying कि insides of our house are also made of wood. Okay, जो अंदर का जो पार्ट होता है वो भी किससे बना होता है? वुड से बना होता है. सो बेटा हियर यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, ओके, यू कैन सी भूपेन्स हाउस कि भूपेन का जो दिखता है. सो बेटा हियर इन दिस पिक्चर वी कैन सी क्लियरली, ओके, कि भूपेन्स हाउस दैट इज almost 10 to 12 foot above to the ground, okay, from the ground, and it is made to and it is made on strong bamboo pillar, right? Yes, here we can see clearly in this picture, right? Yes. So beta you got it कि how is Bhupen's house. So beta here in short we can say na कि these type of houses are found in Assam, right? Yes. So now beta look at downside. So many questions are given here. Okay. Yes, and we have to give the answer of these all question. Okay. So now let's see the questions one by one. Okay. Yes. So now let's see the questions. Okay, so first question is कि why are houses made on bamboo pillars where Bhupen lives? Yes, now beta in this question what is asking to us? What is saying to us? So beta here asking to us कि why are our houses made on bamboo pillars where Bhupen's live? Okay, lives. Yes. So beta our answer is we know very well कि Bhupen lives in Assam, right? Yes, and it rains very heavily, right? Yes, so that is why houses made on bamboo pillars, right? Okay, so our answer is कि Bhupen lives in Assam, and it rains very heavily in Assam. Okay, that is why house is made on bamboo pillar. Okay, yes, so beta you got it, number one. Okay, now question number two, that is on next page. Okay, so now question number two. So now let's see what is our question. So what kind of roofs do Bhupen's house have? Why are they made like this? Yes, now beta here in this question what is asking to us? Here asking to us ke what kind of roofs do Bhupen's house have? Okay, and why are they made like this? So beta we know very well कि these houses have slanting roof. Okay, ये जो houses है इनकी ऐसी slanting roof होती है, right? These houses of slanting roof because water can flow downward easily, right? Yes. So again I will say, so what is our answer beta? So our answer is कि these houses have slanting roof because water can फ्लो डाउनवर्ड इजिली. ओके, क्यों स्लैंटिंग रूफ होती है? जिससे ये जो वाटर है वो इजिली गिर सके नीचे, राइट? Yes, so you got it number 2. Okay, now next question, that is question number 3. So now let's see what is our question. So next question is, how does one enter these houses? Okay, yes. So beta as there we can see in the picture, so we can see there के कैसे सभी जाते हैं with the help of ladders. Okay, one enter these houses with the help of ladder. Okay, yes. So what is our answer? So our answer is okay, one enter these houses with the help of ladders. Okay, with the help of ladder. Okay, yes. So you got it, the answer of question number 3. Okay, so now next question. So next question is question number 4. Okay, so now let's see what is question number 4. So at night the ladder is removed from Bhupen's house. Can you tell why? So beta in this question what is asking to us here? Asking to us कि at night the ladder is removed from the Bhupen's house. Right? Can you tell? Can you give one reason? कि why the ladder is removed from the Bhupen's house? So beta, what is our answer? So we know very well कि वो जो भूपेन का house जहाँ पर है that is hilly area, right? Yes. एंड वहाँ पर जो जो एनिमल्स होते हैं वो बहुत आते हैं नाइट में, क्योंकि वहाँ पे पूरा फॉरेस्ट है वो, ठीक है, और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे ट्रीज एंड प्लांट्स हुए, हिली एरिया है, और हिली एरिया है तो एनिमल्स हार्मफुल बहुत सारे होंगे. दैट इज वाई एट नाइट लेडर इज रिमूव फ्रॉम भूपेन्स हाउस. ओके, yes. So here what is our answer? So our answer is at night the ladder is removed from Bhupen's house to stop the harmful animals to enter in the house. Okay, yes. So you got it beta, answer of number 4. Okay, so now next question, that is question number 4. Okay, so now let's see what that is question number 5. So now let's see what is question number 5. So what are the difficulties faced in making stone houses? Yes, now here what is asking to us? So beta here asking to us कि what are the difficulties that is faced in making stone houses? Yes. So beta here we can say कि ये जो stone houses होते हैं ना, इनको stone houses are made of with the help of experts, right? Yes, इनको कोई भी ऐसे नहीं बना सकता, ये expert की help से मीन्स बनते हैं. So ये जो है, वैसे जो नॉर्मल विलेज ये सब है वहाँ पर तो सब कैसे भी बना लेते, राइट? एवरी प्लेस पे एक्सपर्ट्स जो हों उनको लाना, फिर उनकी जो फीस है वो सब पे करना, ठीक है, उतना पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता, और इतने एक्सपर्ट्स भी नहीं मिल पाते. ओके, सो दैट डिफिकल्टी इज फेस्ड इन मेकिंग स्टोन हाउसेस. ओके, यस. So you got it, number 5. Okay, so now let's see next. Okay, so now here what is saying here, saying ki now it was Chameli's turn. She said yes. Now next is Chameli. Okay, the first turn was of Bhupen turn. Okay, now second was Chameli's turn. So now let's see what Chameli is saying. Okay, so here Chameli is one girl. Okay, yes. So I have come from Manali, which is a hilly area. Yes, now here beta what Chameli is saying कि I have come from Manali. Okay, and we know very well beta कि that is very hilly area, right? Yes. At our place it rains heavily and snow as well. Yes, now here what Chameli is saying? Chameli is saying कि at our place in Manali it rains heavily. Okay, वहाँ पर बहुत बारिश होती है, and snow as well. Yes, and there snowfall भी होता है, right? Yes. When it is a very cold, we like to sit in the sun. Yes, now here what is saying to us? What she is saying to us? She is saying कि when it is very cold, okay, when it is very cold, on that time we all like to sit in the sun. Okay, yes, to take heat, है ना? Yes. our houses are made of stone or wood. Yes, now here what she is saying, she is saying कि our houses are made up of stone or wood. Yes, so बेटा इन मनाली में जो भी houses होते हैं पता है आपको वो किससे बने होते हैं? That are made up of stone or wood. Okay, अगर आप में से कोई मनाली गया होगा तो आपने देखा होगा, right? So that is why here she is saying कि our houses are made up of stone or wood. Okay, yes, so beta here in the picture you can see here. So in Manali the houses are made up of stone or wood. Okay, yes, so beta you got it ki how is Chameli's house and how they made up. Okay, yes, so now on next page. Okay, so now beta here on this page so many questions has given here. Okay, and we have to give the answer of these all questions. Okay, so now let's see the questions. So question number 1, in which area is Chameli's house? Yes, now in this question what is asking to us? He asking to us कि in which area is Chameli's house? So बेटा we know very well कि Chameli's house in a hilly area है ना. Chameli's house is in a hilly area. Okay, so it is the answer of question number 1. So you got it. Okay, now question number 2. What are the similarities in the roofs of Chameli's house and Bhupen's house? Okay, now here what is asking to us? Here asking to us okay, what are the similarities between the what is the similarities in the roof between Chameli's house and Bhupen's house? So beta we know very well के both have slanting roof है ना. दोनों के जो houses हैं दोनों के houses के roof कैसी है? Slanting roof है. Okay, yes, so here what is our answer? So our answer is कि both the houses of slanting roof. Okay, Chameli's house and Bhupen's house. Okay, both the houses have slanting roof. Okay, so you got it number 2. Okay, now next question, that is question number 3. So okay, how do roofs help in their areas? Yes, now here what is asking to us? Here asking to us okay, how do roofs help in their areas? Okay, यस सो बेटा वी नो वेरी वेल कि यू नो जो ये जो रूफ है उनका जो स्लोप होता है ठीक है वो स्नो एंड वाटर को क्या करता है वो नीचे गिरा देता है और ऐसे क्या होता है उनके जो रूफ्स होते हैं वहाँ पर स्नो एंड वाटर जो है वो वहाँ पर इकट्ठा नहीं होता ठीक है यस सो आवर आंसर इज कि द स्लोप ऑफ दीज रूफ्स अलाउ snow and water to flow downwards. Okay, yes, so you got it number 3. So it was the answer of number 3. Okay, now next question, that is question number 4. So now let's see what is question number 4. So next question is what are the benefits of living in pakka houses? Yes, now here what is asking to us? Here asking to us ke what are the benefits of living in pakka houses? So beta what are the benefits of living in pakka houses? So we know very well कि it is made up of bricks and joined by cement, right? And it is very strong है ना because ये you know bricks and cement से बने होते हैं. That is why it is very strong. So it cannot be destroyed by winds, floods and other things, right? Yes. So beta you got it. What is the answer of this question? So again I will say it is made up of bricks and joined by cement. Okay, and it's very strong, so it cannot be destroyed by winds and other things, right? Yes. Okay, so beta you got the answer of this question. You got it well. Okay, so beta for today this much is enough. Okay, yes, and हमारा बाकी का जो भी है that we will see in our next video. Okay, yes, so bye bye everyone, take care, stay